Hi, I'm Jaylyn. We're here at DB Orlando Collision in Orlando, Florida. I am a prepper here. I also am a body apprentice. I usually just help out, especially with our painting and our body tech here. I help prep all the panels for them, make sure everything's nice and clean, have everything in primer how they want it, especially assisting with our body man, watching around him his corners, doing certain things here and there, helping him out. My family is a bunch of mechanics, so I grew up with certain cars around me a lot of the time. In high school, I was in the automotive collision class. I just took it further from there, decided to go further in my career with it. Day to life, clock in, 8 a.m. sharp, make sure everything's dusted out, everything's nice, materials are here where we need it. We meet with our production manager, we go over all the cars for the day and what needs to be done, what is expected for paint to have ready. After that, we jump right into our work, straight away, heads on until lunchtime, have our meeting, we're back, all hands on deck, and we're moving on for the day. In the beginning, I was in school, so it was very intimidating to be in a program where there was not many females presenting in there, but it was a great ride. And then I got in touch with a rep who pointed me in the right direction to DB. They were very friendly with me. It was very intimidating from the start, interview to my first day, but overall, everybody has been completely understanding. They are very welcoming, especially to the only female being in the shop currently. It feels a little bit at home. I watched my brother grow up to be a mechanic. He went to college for it. I always wanted to be like him. I wanted to be involved a lot. So during high school, I did seek out that opportunity to work on cars, not in a way that he did personally. I love the cosmetic side of a lot of things. So to be in that program in high school was actually very beneficial. I loved it. So science, it could be dealing with a lot of our chemicals, how the outcome of it, where to use it, how to use it, just in case if things do get on your hands or such, how to take care of those things, especially with flame. A lot of our products are flammable, so it is very important for you to know the science behind it and the chemicals that go into it and what things are safe to be with and what are not. You get a lot of creative freedom. I can tell you that very much. There's different ways to go about a lot of our projects here, especially when you go into prepping a car to go for paint and such things like that. You can get very creative in the way you mask and the way you apply products. Your confidence level, you do have to have that confidence within yourself to know you're able to do this job. Either by yourself or with a partner, you have to learn to mesh with people no matter what and have the confidence to do your job how you know you can do it and go about your projects. You have to be very detail-oriented here. You do have to look at panels and constantly figure out if this is where it needs to be or if that's in the correct form. You have cleanliness as well, dealing with a lot of these products, especially me being prep, dealing with paint and all that. I love coming in every day and just being able to start on my work by myself. I love hands-on work. I love being able to learn new things every day, especially coming in. It's an eye-opener, but I absolutely love it. Don't underestimate what you think you can do, especially being a female. Never think you can't do what a guy can do. The world is yours, really. There's no holdback, I want to say. Even if you're a female going into a very dominated area, you can do it all. Awesome.